If you want great training in Microsoft Excel, you need look no further. Our courses teach you all you need to know to feel 100% confident in using Excel. We don't just show you how to do a task, we show you why you'd need it too. You'll start by learning the basics about spreadsheet layout and formatting in the introduction level. As you progress through the levels, you'll learn more essential skills, such as working with functions and formulas and creating different kinds of graphs, before learning advanced features that assist with data analysis, such as pivot tables, lookups, and scenarios. We also run specialized courses for expert users, covering dashboards, business intelligence, and even VBA programming, so we can take you as far as you want to go. Excel is the most widely used spreadsheet software in the world, so it's something we all need to know. Training plays a huge part in improving performance in your productivity and the quality of your work. So let's get started today.